So for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Here we go!
Great to have everybody watching this monumental event tonight. I'm curious if these people are even going to sit down for this fight.
You want to make sure people show up early. You put these two in the first fight. This place is completely full.
Chandler is looking for bombs.
Chandler tries to throw that left hook.
Tagged him with that.
He is just sliding out of the way when Gaethje tries to throw that kick.
And Chandler has had success with his own leg kicks, countering Gaethje at times early.
A little bit more relaxed here, like how he's popping that jab. Oh, there goes one. And returns.
Chandler has not done a very good job over the course of his career defending leg kicks, and right now you are taking kick.
Couple big rights for Chandler.
Gaethje's in nasty left by Justin.
I love that Chandler's trying to fight behind the jab.
Knee from Chandler didn't appear to land.
He heard it.
Gaethje wobbled. Whoa!
Oh my goodness, they're both wobbled. Justin just hurt him. Justin hurt him.
Uppercut.